Had you ever noticed the label unsweetened cocoa powder in your kitchen? Today, we're diving deep into what makes it unique and why it's so versatile. Unsweetened cocoa powder is derived from cacao beans, where the cocoa butter is removed, leaving behind a rich, dark brown powder with a slightly bitter taste. It's often used in baking for its robust chocolate flavor. When you see cocoa powder on the label, it typically means unsweetened. The ingredient list should only contain cocoa solids or cocoa powder to ensure no added sugars or additives. Unsweetened cocoa is often contrasted with sweetened varieties. While unsweetened is purely chocolate, some versions might include small amounts of sugar or additives for a sweeter taste. This pure essence of cocoa makes it highly versatile. It's used in everything from hot chocolate to frostings and gluten-free desserts, offering a rich, dark chocolate flavor without the extra sugar. From a health perspective, unsweetened cocoa powder is considered very healthy. It's low in calories and fat while being rich in antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. So, the next time you pick up a package of cocoa powder, remember it's likely unsweetened unless specified otherwise. Its pure and rich flavor makes it an essential ingredient in your kitchen. What's your favorite way to use unsweetened cocoa powder? Share your recipes or thoughts in the comments.